Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about the importance of nursing mentality going into work as a new nurse or as a student. If you're looking to improve your nursing skills and to gain more nursing knowledge in general, you want to make sure you subscribe right now so you don't miss any of my new videos. So let's get right into it. What do I mean by having a strong nursing mentality? Well, I mean you want to work really hard. You want to have a good work ethic. A lot of nurses you see onto the unit don't have a strong work ethic, and that ultimately not only makes sure that the patients don't get the care that they receive, but it also puts a lot of burden on the partner that they're working with or their different colleagues that are working around them. So it's important for you to instill a strong nursing mentality, and to do that you want to go into the work day knowing that you're going to have to work hard and to try and improve the situation at work. There's a lot of stuff that goes on into a unit, and there's always ways that we can improve the way we perform care, the strategies we have to improve efficiency. But a lot of nurses have a poor mindset going into work of hopelessness and thinking that the healthcare system is flawed and there's a lot of issues and there's a lot of negativity surrounding that, especially with the senior nurses. You know, they've been there for a long time, they've seen a lot of things, and they feel like things are not improving. But having a strong mentality and feeling optimistic about the future is so important. It brings up better work environments, the mentality of colleagues improve, and overall you're going to be a lot more happy while you're working. Another thing that I want to mention is to make sure that if you're a student or a new nurse, that you work hard in gaining more nursing opportunities. So what do I mean by that? Making sure that if there's a skill that you haven't done, for example, inserting an NG tube, giving, for example, an enema, or inserting Foleys, all these sorts of skills you want to be able to gain higher levels of competency in. And you want to ask all the other nurses that are on that unit if you can insert their NG with them, or if you could watch, if you can possibly have an extra pair of hands in assisting with the Foley insertion, with the NG insertion, etc., so that you're able to become a more competent nurse. But that only comes about if you have a strong nursing mentality and you're willing to work really hard and look for these opportunities. Another important factor in having a strong nursing mentality is the fact that you're open to communicating effectively with colleagues. A lot of nurses think very highly of themselves for some strange reason, and they think that they're above other nurses. But what you have to realize is everyone on that unit is a registered nurse, and they're just as competent as you are. You may have more experience in doing things, but the important thing is to be open with other colleagues and providing different expertise, providing a second opinion. And if you don't have that mentality of being open and establishing good rapport with your colleagues, then it just hinders the overall work environment. It makes the new nurse, for example, think twice before asking you for help, or they might not ask you for help and ultimately put the patient safety at risk. So I think it's important for the senior nurses and the new nurses to make an effort in building good rapport with colleagues so that overall you're able to improve patient experience and provide better care. Anyways guys, I thought I would mention a video about having strong nursing mentalities. If you thought this video was interesting, please give it a thumbs up. If you agreed with anything I said, let me know in the comments below. What are your thoughts on nursing mentalities? Have you noticed anything that I've mentioned in this video? And once again, please subscribe. I'm going to be uploading a video every week and you don't want to miss out on that. Take care guys, and see you in the next one.